So you're looking to move to Paso Robles, California. Well, in this video, I flew my drone above Paso Robles at one of the local golf courses, Paso Robles Golf Club, which is right next to the high school there in Paso. So I flew up in the air just to do a 360 view and show you around Paso Robles. Hang in there till the very end because you don't want to miss out. It's real easy to see it from the sky, much easier than from the ground. So hang in there. We're going to get after it right now. So if this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell icon. So you'll be the first to know when I post information about Paso Robles or the San Luis Obispo area. My name is Bruce Carson. I'm with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you looking to make a move to the San Luis Obispo area every single day, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, it doesn't matter. I'm here to help. So let's take a look at Paso Robles from the sky right now. Welcome to Paso Robles, a beautiful town on California's Central Coast where nature, community, and history blend seamlessly. Below you can see the Paso Robles Golf Club, the centerpiece of this community, drawing locals and visitors alike with its lush green fairways and tranquil atmosphere. But Paso Robles is about more than just golf. It's a lifestyle and a community. Imagine waking up every morning surrounded by rolling hills, vineyards, and oak trees, with over 200 wineries right on your doorstep. Paso Robles is wine country at its finest, where you'll find family-owned wineries and vineyards producing some of the most celebrated wines in California. With a climate that offers warm days and cool evenings, it's a perfect place for cultivating exceptional Cabernet Sauvignon, Syrah, and unique blends that have put Paso on the map among wine lovers. Beyond its vineyards, Paso Robles has a vibrant downtown that perfectly mixes small town charm with modern amenities. Stroll down Main Street and discover boutique shops, farm-to-table restaurants, and cozy cafes. Local artists and artisans add to the flavor of this town with galleries, handmade crafts, and weekend art markets. And then there's the Central Plaza, a true gathering place where locals come together for concerts, festivals, and a lively farmers market that celebrates the area's agricultural heritage. Paso Robles is also rich in history. Established as a hot springs resort in the 19th century, this town has welcomed visitors in generations, drawn by the healing properties of its mineral springs and its peaceful surroundings. You can still experience these hot springs today, providing a relaxing retreat that connects you to the town's former days. For families, Paso Robles offers a welcoming, close-knit community with well-regarded schools and plenty of outdoor activities. Hiking trails wind through local parks, and nearby Lake Nacimiento is perfect for boating, fishing, and camping. For those with a passion for equestrian pursuits, Paso Robles is known for its ranches and horse trails, adding another layer to active, outdoorsy lifestyle that locals enjoy. Imagine a place where you're minutes away from world-class wineries, surrounded by natural beauty and part of a community that embraces both its roots and its growth. If you're looking for a home that offers the best Central California living, Paso Robles is waiting. With its picturesque setting, strong community values, and endless opportunities for adventure, it's more than a place to live, it's a belonging. Welcome to Paso Robles.